When was the last time you considered refinancing? If you haven't reviewed your home loan for at least 12 to 24 months, here are 3 reasons why you should consider refinancing. Number 1, get a better deal. A 0.5% decrease in your interest rate could potentially save you about $150 per month. Number 2, you can release equity, which will allow you to invest or renovate. And finally, number 3 is you'll be able to access additional features on your home loan that your current lender may not be offering. My 3 reasons why you should consider refinancing. I'm Clyde Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.